Imagine accessing real estate data effortlessly with Browse AI. Tired of hours spent gathering listings manually? We have the solution. Automate collecting real estate data from Compass with Browse AI's pre-built robots. Enjoy key benefits, save time and reduce effort. Collect accurate data without human errors. Gain fresh insights from real-time property details. What makes us special? Browse AI allows seamless connections with tools like Google Sheets and Airtable. Ready to begin? All you need is a free Browse AI account, no coding required. Access Compass and our two robots, one extracts property lists, another gathers detailed data. Let's get started. Extract a property list about homes for sale in San Francisco. In minutes, you'll have a usable list. Next, gather detailed property information with our second robot. Input a property URL to extract sale price, specifications, and features. For large projects, link these robots with workflows for a fully automated system. Set monitors for real-time updates. Enjoy fresh data and alerts when changes happen. Integrate findings into tools you use, like Google Sheets or Zapier. Stay organized with custom exports. When ready to scale, run robots in parallel for various cities. Schedule updates to track trends and combine datasets for insights. Automate your real estate data collection today. With Browse AI, focus on strategy instead of manual tasks. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Browse AI's newsletter for updates, articles, and tips. Let's transform your real estate data analysis.